temperature 65. Wind calm. Troutdale, cloudy. Temperature 66. Wind calm. The Dalles, sunny. Temperature 73. Wind northwest at 16. Pressure 30.09 inches and steady. Pendleton, sunny. Temperature 70. Wind west at 10. Pressure 30.13 inches and rising. Redmond, sunny. Temperature 66. Wind calm. Forecast for the greater Portland and Vancouver metro area. Today, partly sunny this morning, then clearing. Patchy dense fog this morning. Highs around 80. Northwest wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 50s. North wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. North wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, clear. Lows in the upper 50s. North wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. High and low temperatures at Portland. Today, 79. Tonight, 56. And Thursday, 88. Extended forecast. Friday, sunny. Highs in the lower 90s. Light wind. Friday night, clear. Lows in the mid-50s. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 50s. Sunday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 80s. Sunday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of rain in the evening, then mostly cloudy with a chance of rain after midnight. Lows in the mid-50s. Chance of rain 40%. Monday, partly sunny. A chance of rain, mainly in the morning. Highs in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 40%. Monday night, partly cloudy. A slight chance of rain in the evening. Lows in the upper 40s. Chance of rain 20%. Tuesday, partly cloudy. A slight chance of rain in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 20%. Forecast for the Western Columbia River Gorge. Today, partly sunny this morning, then clearing. Highs in the upper 70s. West wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. West wind 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming light after midnight. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. East wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday night, clear. Lows in the lower 60s. East wind 10 to 15 miles an hour, diminishing after midnight. Friday, sunny. Highs in the lower 90s. East wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. High and low temperatures at Cascade Locks. Today, 78. Tonight, 58. And Thursday, 87. Forecast for the foothills of the North Oregon Cascades. Today, partly cloudy this morning, then clearing. Patchy dense fog this morning. Highs in the mid-70s. Light wind, becoming northwest 5 to 10 miles an hour this afternoon. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-50s. North wind 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming light after midnight. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Northeast wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, clear. Lows in the upper 50s. North wind 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming light after midnight. Friday, sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. Light wind. Forecast for the mountains of the northern Oregon Cascades from the Columbia Gorge to Mackenzie Pass. Today, mostly sunny. Free air freezing level 13,000 feet, rising to 14,000 feet this afternoon. Light wind. Tonight, mostly clear. Free air freezing level 14,000 feet. Light wind. Thursday, sunny. Free air freezing level 14,000 feet. Light wind. Thursday night, clear. Free air freezing level 15,000 feet. Fast winds east 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday, sunny. Free air freezing level 15,000 feet. Light wind. High and low temperatures at government camp. Today, 68. Tonight, 50. And Thursday, 76. Forecast for the North Oregon coast. Today, patchy dense fog this morning. Partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-70s. Light wind. Near beaches and headlands, winds light, increasing to northwest 10 to 15 miles an hour this afternoon. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 50s. Light wind, except north wind 5 to 10 miles an hour near beaches and headlands. Thursday, partly cloudy in the morning, then clearing. Highs in the lower 80s. Northeast wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, clear. Lows in the mid-50s. North wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Friday, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. North wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. High and low temperatures at Astoria. Today, 72. Tonight, 53. And Thursday, 78. 10 a.m. Columbia River buoy 29 report. Winds northeast at 6 knots. Seas 7 feet at 10 seconds. Coastal marine forecast for the waters from Cape Shorewater, Washington to Cape Falcon, Oregon, and westward 60 nautical miles. Synopsis for the southern Washington and northern Oregon coast. High pressure remains anchored offshore.
Dang it, low battery.
While thermal low pressure hugs far south Oregon coast.
Hold on
This
real
will
quick.
maintain gusty northerly winds through Saturday. High pressure will gradually weaken later this weekend as a front approaches. Forecast for the Columbia River are in the main channel. General seas 4 to 5 feet through Thursday. First ebb current of 4.9 knots around 4:30 a.m. Wednesday. Seas 5 to 6 feet. Second ebb current of 3.9 knots at 5 p.m. Wednesday. Seas 5 feet. Third ebb current of 5.0
Good
knots
enough.
at 5 a.m. Thursday. Seas 5 to 6 feet. Forecast
Okay, stop sliding.
Cape Shorewater, Washington to Cape Falcon, Oregon,
There.
out 10 nautical miles. Dense fog advisory until 9 a.m. today. Today, north wind 5 to 10 knots, rising to 10 to 15 knots this afternoon. Wind waves north 2 feet at 4 seconds. Swell west 4 feet at 10 seconds. Areas of dense fog early this AM. Tonight, north wind 10 to 15 knots. Wind waves north 3 feet at 4 seconds. Swell west 4 feet at 10 seconds. Forecast for the waters from Cape Shorewater, Washington to Cape Falcon, Oregon from 10 to 60 nautical miles. Today, north wind 10 knots. Wind waves north 2 feet at 4 seconds. Swell west 5 feet at 10 seconds. Patchy dense fog this AM. Tonight, north wind 10 to 15 knots. Wind waves north 3 feet at 4 seconds. Swell west 5 feet at 10 seconds. The Portland, Oregon climate summary for yesterday, September 12, 2023. Yesterday's high temperature was 80 degrees and the low 58 degrees. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 0.03 inches. This is 0.43 inches below the normal amount of 0.46 inches for September. The total precipitation for the water year beginning October 1st still stands at 34.15 inches, which is 1.71 inches below normal. The total precipitation for the calendar year is still 18.04 inches, which is 3.18 inches below normal. There were no heating degree days yesterday, and there were 4 cooling degree days yesterday. Yesterday, the maximum wind observed was 13 miles an hour from the northwest. The highest wind gust observed was 16 miles per hour from the northwest. The normal high temperature for today is 78 degrees, and the normal low is 55. The record high for today is 93, which last occurred in 1988, and the record low is 37, which occurred in 1970. Sunrise today is at 6:46 a.m. and sunset is at 7:26 p.m. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station station KIG 98 broadcasting on 162.550 megahertz near Portland, Oregon. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service in Portland, Oregon. The current time is 10:59 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Hourly weather observations at 10 a.m. Astoria, it was cloudy. Temperature 63 degrees. Wind east at 5 miles an hour. Pressure 30.18 inches and steady. Newport, cloudy. Temperature 59. Wind north at 5. North Bend, sunny. Temperature 65. Wind east at 3. Pressure 30.15 inches and steady. Seattle, partly sunny.
It just turned to 11 o'clock, so we should be getting the test in a bit. Only the Recom is playing the weather, but all my weather radios are on. So I think it's gonna silently check for alerts, and then it should go off on all my radios.
Wind variable at 7. Salem, partly sunny. Temperature 66. Wind north at 8. Pressure 30.16 inches and rising.
Let's see. Well, there's a battery low icon on the W1. I don't yeah, you can't really see it, but if you just... Yo, what the? What just happened with the reception? Jeez.
Roseburg, cloudy. Temperature 63. Wind north at 6. Medford, sunny. Temperature 65. Wind calm. Troutdale, cloudy. Temperature 66. Wind calm. The Dalles, sunny. Temperature 73. Wind northwest at 16. Pressure 30.09 inches and steady. Pendleton, sunny. Temperature 70. Wind west at 10. Pressure 30.13 inches and rising. Redmond, sunny. Temperature 66. Wind calm. Forecast for the greater Portland and Vancouver metro area. Today, partly sunny this morning, then clearing. Patchy dense fog this morning. Highs around 80. Northwest wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 50s. North wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. North wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, clear. Lows in the upper 50s. North wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. High and low temperatures at Portland. Today, 79. Tonight, 56. And Thursday, 88. Extended forecast. Friday, sunny. Highs in the lower 90s. Light wind. Friday night, clear. Lows in the mid-50s.
It should go off around 11:04 or 11:05.
Saturday night,
I don't know yet.
mostly clear. Lows in the lower 50s. Sunday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 80s. Sunday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of rain in the evening, then mostly cloudy with a chance of rain.
I hope it doesn't get like postponed for
Lows
like
in the mid-50s.
30 minutes like last time. That was unexpected.
Partly sunny. A chance of rain, mainly in the morning. Highs in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 40%. Monday night, partly cloudy. A slight chance of rain in the evening.
But
Lows in the upper 40s. Chance of rain 20%.
I'm recording, so it shouldn't be unexpected. Also, there's no statements about severe or hazardous weather,
Chance of rain 20%.
so
Forecast for the Western Columbia River Gorge.
I think we might be able to
Partly sunny this morning.
catch it.
Then clearing. Highs in the upper 70s. West wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. West wind 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming light after midnight. Thursday, mostly sunny.
It's 11:04.
Upper 80s.
It should come on in a bit.
To 15 miles an hour. Thursday night, clear. Lows in the lower 60s. East wind 10
Just to clarify, it's
15 miles an
Wednesday.
hour, diminishing after midnight. Friday, sunny. Highs in the lower 90s. East wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. High and low temperatures in Cascade blocks. Today, 78.
Wait, check my charger connection.
58. And Thursday, 87. Forecast for the foothills of the North Oregon Cascades. Today, partly cloudy this morning, then clearing. Patchy dense
It's
fog
about
this
to come on.
Highs in
I
the
could smell it.
Light wind becoming northwest 5 to 10 miles an hour.
It's 11:05.
this afternoon. Tonight,
No way.
clear. Lows in the mid-50s. North wind 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming light after midnight.
It's about to.
Thursday,
I could
sunny.
smell it.
Highs in the mid-80s. Northeast wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, clear. Lows in the upper 50s. North wind 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming light after midnight. Friday,
Why is my heart beating so
highs
fast?
in the upper 80s. Light wind. Forecast for the mountains of the northern Oregon Cascades from the Columbia Gorge to Mackenzie Pass.
Don't tell me it's
Today,
postponed.
mostly sunny. Free air
I mean, it
level
shouldn't be.
13,000 feet, rising to
Since there's,
14,000
I don't
feet
think
this
there was any
afternoon.
statements about severe weather.
Light wind. Tonight, mostly clear. Free air freezing level 14,000 feet. Light
Come on,
wind.
it's 11:06.
Thursday, sunny.
Please go off.
Free air freezing level 14,000 feet. Light wind. Thursday night, clear.
Please.
Free air freezing level 15,000 feet. Past winds east 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday, sunny. Free air freezing level 15,000 feet. Light wind. High and low temperatures at government camp. Today, 68. Tonight, 50. And Thursday, 76. Forecast for the North Oregon coast. Today, patchy
Please.
dense fog this morning. Partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-70s. Light wind. Near beaches and headlands, winds light, increasing to northwest 10 to 15 miles an hour this afternoon. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 50s. Light wind, except north wind 5 to
11:07. Are you kidding me?
Headlands. Thursday, partly cloudy in the morning, then clearing. Highs in the lower 80s.
Come on, just go off already.
Northeast wind 5 to 10 miles an hour.
I'm
Thursday,
waiting.
clear. Lows in the mid-50s. North wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. Friday, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. North wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. High and low temperatures at Astoria. Today, 72. Tonight, 53. And Thursday, 78. 10 a.m. Columbia River buoy 29 report. Winds northeast at 6 knots. Seas 7 feet at 10 seconds. Coastal marine forecast for the waters from Cape Shorewater, Washington to Cape Falcon, Oregon, and westward 60 nautical miles. Synopsis for the southern Washington and northern Oregon coast. High pressure remains anchored offshore though this weekend, while thermal low pressure hugs far south Oregon coast. This will maintain gusty northerly winds through Saturday. High pressure will gradually weaken later this weekend as a front approaches. Forecast for the Columbia River bar.
Wait, did it say flood?
General seas 4 to 5 feet through Thursday. First ebb current of 4.9 knots around 4:30 a.m. Wednesday.
Okay, come on, it's 11:08.
Seas
Please.
5 to 6 feet. Second ebb current of 3.9 knots at 5 p.m. Wednesday. Seas 5 feet. Third ebb current of 5.0 knots at 5 a.m. Thursday. Seas 5 to 6 feet. Forecast for the waters from Cape Shorewater, Washington to Cape Falcon, Oregon, out 10 nautical miles. Dense fog advisory until 9 a.m. today. Today, north wind 5 to 10 knots, rising to 10 to 15 knots this afternoon. Wind waves north 2 feet at 4 seconds. Swell west 4 feet at 10 seconds. Areas of dense fog early this AM. Tonight, north wind 10 to 15 knots. Wind waves north 3 feet at 4 seconds. Swell west 4 feet at 10 seconds. Forecast for the waters from Cape Shorewater, Washington to Cape Falcon, Oregon from 10 to 60 nautical miles. Today, north wind 10 knots. Wind waves north 2 feet at 4 seconds. Swell west 5 feet at 10 seconds. Patchy dense fog this AM. Tonight, north wind 10 to 15 knots. Wind waves north 3 feet at 4 seconds. Swell west 5 feet at 10 seconds. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station KIG 98 broadcasting on 162.550 MHz near Portland, Oregon. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service in Portland, Oregon. The current time is 11:10 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Hourly weather observations.
Oh, it's happening. It is happening.
This is the National Weather Service office in Portland, Oregon. The proceeding was a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather on the day of the test, it will be postponed until the following week. This concludes this test. We now return to our regular programming. Forecast for the greater Portland and
Finally, bro.
area. Today, partly.
Finally, bro. Why'd that take you like 5 minutes? Did you have to find where the RWT button is? Oh, whatever. That's a test down. Glad I was able to catch it. One thing before I end the recording. Fluffy.